Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to buy USDT on Binance. So the first step you need to do is go in the superior part of your Binance app. You need to go on the left corner, the superior left corner. You pick in the Binance symbol, and now in your profile you need to go and pick in more service. And now in the search more service, you need to put buy, currency buy. So you pick here, and now you need to choose the currency you want buy. So you pick here in USDT, and now you need to put how much USDT you wanna buy. So if you pick here in 1000, and now you need to pick in buy USDT. So you need to pick in your card, in your method of pay, and you pick in confirm, and that's it. You got your USDT on your Binance account, in your Binance app. So this is the process. It's an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.